Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best 3D printer for kids available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best 3D printer for kids, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Pro FDM 3D Printer. Compared to mainstream FDM 3D printers, the printing speed is increased by 10 times. The maximum printing speed up to 500 mm per second. Recommended print speed is 300 mm per second. Equipped with a high-performance Cortex A7 1.2 GHz processor, providing abundant computing power for faster calculation and command execution, which results in 10x faster printing. By utilizing an optimized direct extruder and a movement structure in the extrusion system and cooling system, it can effectively and precisely deliver the filament, quickly melt and cool to form, and run smoothly to reduce layer lines. One-click vibration compensation. By number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 Say 3D printer. Ender 3v3 Say 3D printer can print at up to 250 mm per second speed with 2500 mm/s² acceleration, faster than Ender 3, Ender 3v2, Ender 3 Pro, Ender 3 Neo, Ender 3v2 Neo, Ender 3 S1, Ender 3 S1 Pro, etc. You can complete models efficiently, saving time to wait for print jobs. Moreover, it can keep good printing quality at the same time. The optimized UI uses motion graphics to display the leveling process and other parameters, so you will know how the printer is doing at a glance, providing you a perfect printing experience. Creality Ender 3v3 Say 3D printer is Number 3. Revopoint Pop 3 3D Scanner. High precision portable 3D scanner. The new Pop 3 has a number of upgrades in terms of hardware configuration, appearance, design and ease of use. Its lightweight, strong compatibility to meet the needs of most users, is a flexible mobile scanning tool. Revopoint Pop 3's new lens design increases sharpness and light intake by 30% and scans at 18 fps. A single frame repetition accuracy of 0.05 mm ensures better dimensional accuracy and captures more detail. Pop 3 built-in 9-axis gyroscope device combined with intelligent algorithm, effectively anti-shake during scanning, reduce stitching errors, improve scanning fluency and success rate. Using the Pop 3 RGB camera not only increases the light intake by 30%, but also includes a depth fill light to allow more light to reach the sensor, effectively eliminating the shadow of the object. Create vibrant, realistic Number 4. Creality Wi-Fi Box Smart Kit 2.0 3D Printers. After connecting to Creality Wi-Fi Box 2.0, your 3D printer realizes real-time remote control and printing monitoring by Creality Cloud app, while enjoying the various print resources from Creality Cloud. Creality Smart Kit enables remote monitoring and real-time printing. Control the printer work and check the printing status in real time on Creality Cloud, making 3D printing smarter. The time-lapse photography function. It captures the 3D printing wonderful scenes that cannot be detected by the naked eye, and automatically back up to the cloud, so you can watch the time-lapse video online by Creality Cloud. The Wi-Fi Box 2.0 easily and quickly configure the network through Bluetooth connection, which is easy to operate and enhances the user's network configuration experience. Wi-Fi Box printing history log can be uploaded to the cloud with one click, which is convenient for after sales to provide better maintenance services. Number 5. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Plus FDM 3D Printer. L'imprimenti 3D ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Plus ist super efficace, avec une vitesse maximale de 500 mm per second et une acceleration de 10,000 mm/s². Lavi test impression recommand is to 300 mm per second, key is 10 fois plus rapide qu'une imprimante 3D FDM ordinaire, parfait pour les professionnels et les débutants. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Plus dispose detailed impression anti to 320 times 320 400 mm / 12.6 by 12.6 by 15.7 psi. Put imprimer des modèles d'environ 41 liters and mean temps.